Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add Passkey on Roblox application. Adding a Passkey to your Roblox account enhances security by enabling passwordless login. This method is especially useful for mobile users, so here's how you do it. First of all, make sure that your device that you're using supports passkeys. Most modern smartphones and tablets do, so check your device's setting to confirm. Now, open up the Roblox app on your device and make sure that you're logged into the account. From the home page, tap on the More button at the bottom right corner, and from the More menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. Under Settings, tap on Account Info. Now, after you open up Account Info section, try looking for Add Passkey option under Login Methods. If you see it, tap on Add Passkey and click Continue. Now, enter the code that you have just received via email from your email inbox. After you open up the email, copy the code inside it and type it down in the Roblox app and click Verify. Now click the Continue button, scan your Face ID or your fingerprint according to your device's setting, and once done, you have successfully created Passkey on Roblox. Once the passkey is added, you can use it to log into your Roblox account without entering a password. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.